Oop. Just kidding. All right, so in this video, okay, wait, let me greet you guys first. Let me relax. Hey, I love y'all. My head itch. Hi guys, it's Brittany. Welcome to Via Metanoia. This is my channel or whatever. Follow me on all my social media. Everything is at Via Metanoia. I'm gonna spell it for you. At V-A, ooh shit. V-I-A-M-E-T-A-N-O-I-A. That's me. And then I have like a personal Instagram, but I'm not gonna share that with y'all. So either you follow me there or you don't. But I mean, you could just scroll through my pictures on my page now, and I've archived most of everything, but I left some stuff up there too, so you can kind of get a glimpse of what I was like, I don't know, 3 years ago. I don't know why I said that, but check this out. Amen. All right, hey guys, welcome to my video. What's up? Comment down below if you agree. I'm going to review this product. It's the Revlon Salon One-Step Hair Dryer and Styler. I'm gonna use it on my thick ass, curly ass here. This is what we finna do. This is what we about to do today. I'm going to use this product, this One-Step Hair Dryer and Styler, and see if it works on hair like mine. But I'm not doing it on my hair like this. Obviously, I'm gonna go deep condition my hair. I'm going to go section my hair off into 4 sections and twist each section, and then we're going to do it like that because that's the safest way to do it for my hair. I think that's the way we should all do our hair if our hair is curly. My hair is really good. I have like 4B, 4C hair, some little 4A areas, some, but mostly 4B, 4C, right? How'd you sleep? You slept good? You don't know? Hey everybody. She's back. She's here. She's raggedy. Per usual. What's going on? Hey, my hair's dry. She is hey, dusty. But not for long. No fear. The blow dryer brush thing is here. Am I right? Just kidding. It's the Revlon Salon One-Step Hair Dryer and Styler. No, this is not a sponsored video. See, I couldn't even remember. I don't even know the word. That's how small of a YouTuber I am. So, do y'all see this though? I'm about to relocate to the bathroom, so the lighting is gonna not be as good as this. But yes, I'm gonna be reviewing this, guys, and seeing how well it works for my hair. Let's see what it says on the box. Let's see what it does. Smooth results with less frizz in half the time. Less heat-related damage. Ionic technology reduces frizz and enhances shine. Large paddle design. Dries and smooths hair quickly. I'm about to read that again. Don't do drugs, kids. All right, I'm joking. I don't know what that is. Detangling bristles help dry, smooth, and style hair. And lightweight ergonomic design. What is wrong with my brain? My nail is gone, y'all. R.I.P. Lightweight ergonomic design for maximum comfort and ease of use. Max drying power, which is dope. So I'll see y'all in the next clip. Don't gotta ask my nigga on my nigga slide. I don't even think those are the words. I don't know. I'm not sure. Okay, it's a little wet beach. Okay, beach. Yes, beach. So, okay. So I put the conditioner and detangled my hair. And I think I'm gonna do like a light wash on my scalp. Also put some of this Natural serum in my hair. I'm gonna let that sit for a little bit. I'm actually ready to just take it out now. I should, cause whatever, am I right? Cause I really just wanna see how this thing works. So I'm about to wash this out my hair with a little bit of shampoo. I thought it's gonna dry it out though. Y'all don't understand. But then again, my hair has, listen, I'm gonna wash my hair. I'll be back, okay? Okay. Okay, guys, so I rinsed my hair out and I washed it. Okay, guys, so we are back. It's your boy Kev on stage. Sorry, I love that guy. He's awesome. All right, I should do this. Okay, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna unbox it, then I'm gonna use this box again because I likes it. I like it. I allow it. All right, so here we are. No, I'm excited to try this. And this is not strong at all. It's not sharp. I won't lie. Why are there? Okay, there's a penny and a nickel here. Probably Brooklyn. Okay. Here we have it. Now, close this bad boy because I need it. Okay, so that was a lot of work. All right. What is this? I don't know. I see like a, I don't know what that is. Let's read this thing. See how this works. Styling tips, towel dry hair to remove excess water that then run a comb for best results. I mean, of course. High setting for thick, coarse hair, of course. Facts. Separate into manageable sections. Facts. Am I right? Okay. Oh shit. I dropped it, but I'm gonna plug this thing in and get power. You feel me? Okay. The things are at the bottom to turn it on and put it on cool, and I think. Also, I just want to say that it took me about 20 to 30 minutes to fully dry, blow out my hair. Usually it takes me way longer than that. I got a lot of footage in, so I just wanted to let you guys know with the voiceover how long it actually took. It took me about 20 to 30 minutes to completely blow dry my hair, which is like half the time. So keep that in mind. Sounds like a vacuum cleaner. However, I enjoy this. I'm here for it. I like it. I like it. I'll allow it. Ooh. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, so what I can say about this, first of all, shocked. I'm not gonna lie. However, I'm not complaining. I'll allow it. I'm cool with this. I'll take this. This is okay. Everything is fine. Okay, so oil. This oil. Rub that together, am I right? I like the way it turns off and on. I love that. This really just made things go so much faster. I mean, I'm here for this. My roots are a little dry right now. I mean, not dry, a little moist, a little, oof, my arm. You know, it's a little, I'm glad, I mean, they made it like a brush. So, I mean, heavy duty brush. I enjoy that. I enjoy that very much. But I'm gonna make sure it's completely dry, and I'm gonna kind of see how long that really takes. I didn't time anything. I should have timed it. But I mean, I've only been recording for 10 minutes. So let's just keep that in mind. And I only talk for about 45 seconds at a time. So let's keep going. I like this. I enjoy that. And it looks good. It's shiny. Like, it feels so soft. I don't know if that's me and what I was doing, you know what I'm saying? And the choices I made, or if it's that. I'm pretty sure it's that. So, I ain't gonna take all of the credit. Even though I should now. I'll be forgetting to look at the camera lens, but I'll be looking at myself. I know I'm using a towel. Don't judge me. I braided both of these sections because my daughter had woke up and I didn't want it to dry out. So I just decided to stretch them out by just braiding them so they could still be detangled and all that good stuff. when you hold it, stay down here. This shit hot. You feel me? So that's done right there. That's when you calling them now. Okay. Now we finna to this last section or whatever. I keep thinking, cause I usually my camera right there, but it's right, it's flipped the other way. Today is different. I have chills. Listen, you listening? Okay. You literally kind of get just obsessed with running your blow dryer slash brush through your hair. This one's still not dry, I don't think. But I feel like maybe I shouldn't have put so much oil, but then again, moisture, am I right? That's what my hair needed. It got it. That's when you calling, I'm there. Ooh, I like it. Okay, I'm sold. This is amazing. I feel like this is still wet or still damp. Okay, I'm here for this. I'm sold. And that was my review. That's it. That's all. No, I'm just playing. I really like this. This really cut down. When I blow out my hair, I do it in sections. And I use this comb or my Denman brush, which I don't even have anymore because it's ruined. And I take it by way smaller sections than ooh, words, where are they? I took way bigger sections with this because it's a paddle, so I like really treated it like a brush. I mean, it is a brush. And I love me a good old paddle brush. This one just got a fan on it. Got, you know what I'm saying? Dry that up. I enjoy that. Let's look at, ooh. But I'm also serious. Ooh, let me see. see? Okay. Let's look at my hair, I guess. I don't know if you can see it, but you know, I enjoy this. I enjoy this very much. I don't know what this looks like, but I hope it look good, bitch. Shit. I ain't all, my production ain't up there yet. Can't see what I'm doing, but hopefully y'all like it. Yeah, I really enjoyed this. I think it's a really good product and it works for thick curly hair, such as mine. This is what came out of my head. Didn't think to do that, just a little bit of this. But what, you know, all my hair came out when I was detangling. But that's because I ain't did my hair in about 3 weeks, is what it feels like. But finally it's done. I did something to it. Now it's what I do next. But I love y'all. Back to the camera because I keep forgetting. I'm done. That was very tiring and I really enjoyed that. I enjoyed that. So y'all should go and buy yourselves a hair dryer and styler, One Step Salon, Revlon. This is why I'm not sponsored, because I said everything backwards. I don't even know why I did it like that. And I think this is why I haven't been accepted into the beauty community yet. But listen, I really enjoyed this though, and I'm really happy I finally got to do it. Now I gotta show out. I gotta show people that I can look presentable. Am I right? So I love y'all. Follow me on social media at thingymabobber on Twitter and Instagram and Snapchat. I don't really use Snapchat like that. But follow me up there. My name is Brittany. Welcome back to my channel. This was a great review of this Revlon Salon One Step Hair Dryer and Styler. You saw me do that. I said it right this time. Yeah. Pro collection. Really great. Really great. I really like it. Ooh, feels nice. It's soft. It feels good. It feels really good. But I really like this product. As y'all can tell, it worked great for my hair. This is just me blowing it out. This is what I wanted. And now I think I might do like some curls or something. I don't know yet, but that's the end of this video. And I love y'all. I'm probably gonna do this side again. But I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next video. I hope y'all enjoyed this. Okay, bye. I never know how to say bye to you guys. I'm alright, whatever.